Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna place my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So, to measure the heart rate, make sure you're on the home screen, the current watch face, and then you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list of widgets. Scroll through the widgets until you find the health status widget. Looks like this. I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor. As you can see, it's measuring automatically. And here we have our heart rate. It's gonna jump around because the smartwatch is measuring the heart rate in real time. So we have the heart rate, stress I believe, and body battery. But I think you need more information or more data for that to appear. And once you're done measuring, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.